This video will demonstrate how to configure your device preferences in S.M.A.R.T, including selecting a printer for shipping labels and reports, using a weighing platform scale, and connecting your mailing system. To access device preferences, click on Settings and then select Device Preferences. Ensure that the device manager is logged in, as indicated by the two white arrows at the top of the page. Once logged in, you can configure your printers and scales for use. You can select the printer you want to use for label printing and choose the label format, whether printing directly onto a label or onto a sheet of paper. Similarly, you can configure options for printing customs forms or various types of reports. If you have configured e-postage mode on your Quadient mailing system or have a connected Elaine or Mettler weighing platform USB scale, the scale will appear in the drop-down menu here. To configure scales, click the drop-down and select the scale based on its serial number. Save your configuration and click OK. You can then click Test Printer to generate a test print of your label. The test print will be sent to the printer selected in this window. Additionally, Device Preferences allows you to connect a mailing system to S.M.A.R.T. The mailing systems displayed on this page are those linked to the customer's account and tenant. For instructions on configuring a mailing system to communicate with S.M.A.R.T. online, please watch the next video.